What makes boating fun is family time together and with friends as well. You know, good time. You have a really great time and just a lot of quality time. What I love most about California Yacht Marina is the relaxing family atmosphere. I believe what makes California Yacht Marina unique is part of the people and the sense of community, as well as the safety it provides. We chose California Yacht Marina because of the people, the security, and the staff, and also the management, because the management contributes to the whole atmosphere.